All right, we're on our way to Dura Canyon. We're gonna go camping for 2 days. We had some nice weather and we just figured we're gonna go out and enjoy the weather and tent camp for a few days. Are y'all excited about going camping in Dura Canyon in Texas?
Yeah.
Are y'all, what are y'all most excited about?
About camping.
What else?
Riding my bike.
Oh, what about you, Isabella? What are you excited about?
Riding my fellow and riding my student.
Oh, all right. Well, we will keep y'all updated. We're all packed up. Got everything in. As you can see in the bed of the truck, it's full. And we are gonna go tent camping for 2 days. We will keep you updated. We are here at the Dura Canyon. Are y'all excited?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna show y'all. If y'all have never been to the Dura Canyon, y'all need to come. Dura Canyon in Texas. They call it the Grand Canyon of Texas. It is huge and it's really pretty, and it is, I believe it's the second largest canyon in the United States, which is pretty incredible. But we're gonna go down here and camp for a couple of days, and I'll run a little video as we're driving in because it's really pretty. Camera really doesn't do this place any justice. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
We're fixing to go. Fixing to drop down into the canyon. Hang on. Yeah, this is a little sketchy. That's all right.
Yeah.
Just go slow.
These kind of aisles, I'm very scared because when I'm not buckled up, it makes me scared.
Yeah.
Because I got one.
Yeah.
Oh, be very careful now. No,
All right,
no.
look. Car coming.
Car. I see a light. Car. I see a light. Daddy, she said God's not scared of nothing. That's what Isabel said.
Is that true?
Yeah.
What else do you know about God?
Isabel said him created the world.
He created the world?
Yeah.
He did. What else, Magnus?
He created plants, he created trees, he created the dirt, he created the rocks, he created everything.
Yeah.
He gets 200 points.
God gets 200 points?
Yeah.
That's awesome. What else? Anything else?
No.
Is that it?
Yeah.
All right. Are you sure?
Yeah. And he turned the grass.
Yeah, he did. You're right. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
almost there. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Just gotta get down to the campsite. This is beautiful. Down in the canyon. Let's see. We are here at the campground, the Juniper Campground. For our site. Our site is going to be 106. You saw 106? You silly. These campgrounds are really nice here at Palo Dura State Park. They keep them mowed, they keep them cleaned up, and the site we got was with water and electricity. It could be for an RV or a camper, or an RV or a tent, and we're going to be tent camping. And I believe this is our site. This is it. 106. So we're here at our campsite, and we got a little pad here for the tent.
We can start firelight here.
Yeah, but they're in a burn ban, so we can't have a fire, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Got a little just a little spot here. Got electricity, a little awning, and a beautiful view of inside the canyon. So we're gonna get set up and start so we can enjoy the day, because it is warm today for the Panhandle. It is really nice, really warm, and that's why we're down here camping, because we really want to enjoy. We love the outdoors, don't we, guys?
Yep, yeah.
All right, y'all ready to help Daddy get set up?
Yeah. I put my shoes on. My shoes are by the bed.
Oh.
Look, Dad, I made a little road.
Yep. All right, let's get set up.
Okay.
Okay.
Then get set up.
Come here, Bob. Carry these and go sit. Magnus, come here. Go sit these on the table for me.
At least we have waters, right, Daddy?
That's right.
At least we have a lot of waters.
Yeah.
Ah, what's out? I don't want to get burned by that. Look, Isabella. Oh, yeah. I'll turn that out for you. No, don't pull it. Why? Dad, is this for fire?
Yeah, so we can cook.
Oh. Look, I found a fire. Whoa. Look, I found a
We are gonna make popcorn.
Look, I found a fire pit.
Hey, leave that in there. Leave that in there, please. Yeah, we can't. Okay. We are gonna make popcorn, but not right now.
Look.
We might here in a minute.
Put
Yep.
down.
I know. Put it right here.
Out.
Didn't fit. So. Take this over there next to the fire ring.
Look.
Here it is, Bella.
Okay.
Go set this over there.
Okay. Thank you. Now you can take one, Malice. But not yet. Hey, put that back. Look, you can ride your filler. Yeah. I don't want to right now. Woo! Then I'm gonna wear my pink. Look at this! I'm gonna wear my pink shoes. I'm gonna wear my pink. Oh, you'll get a sticker. Like mine and their feet. And now it says. Mouse told me I'll get sick and then I will.
Why would you get sick?
Put that back, already said.
Come on here. Hey,
Here.
somehow you talk to her, right?
Please, I want to help Dad. Dad, can you put me on this red one?
Yep, give me just a second.
Oh, no, I'm Here, Dad. This is what's really heavy. Yeah. Okay. Here, let's get it. Dad, where's this stuff? No, we can get one. Oh, that's my bill. Be very careful on the edge. This is what's really heavy. I need.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, Isabella. Leave that there.
Yep, we can get down. Yeah. I can get down with my foot. Sorry. Yes, I like it barely. No, I can get down. But thanks for helping me.
You're welcome.
I could get down. I couldn't get down very well. Yep. Now what? Cool. I want to get in the shade.
Okay.
Me too.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it is. Look at this. Malice. Malice. What? Now then you're in trouble. No?
Yeah. Here, don't do that, bud.
Don't do it. And this.
All right, I'm gonna turn this off for a minute. We're gonna set up the tent. Y'all gonna help me?
Yes.
And then we may get a snack and then may go hiking. We'll be back.
How's it going?
It's going Doing good. Snaking it down for this panhandle wind.
Magnus, are you having fun? No, leave your shoes out. Leave your shoes out. And Dahlia, she's just waiting for her turn to get in there. You beautiful baby.
Hey.
You're beautiful.
You want to do a view of the park?
Magnus? Okay. Don't go too far. Isabella, you need to put a shirt on, hon.
No.
I can't video you until you put your shirt on.
We gonna go for a short walk, Dahlia? You ready to go for a walk? I can push her.
I don't really want her.
This is my
Car
beautiful
seat.
wife,
Stop,
Aaliyah.
please. I don't want to be in it.
Texas born, Texas bred. Beautiful woman. Kids are out riding. Look at the backdrop. Pretty awesome. Uh-oh.
Another trick coming up.
Dad!
I see you.
Dad!
Wow.
Did you see it? He's brave on his bike.
He's getting brave.
Did you tell him to try that?
Uh-uh.
He just did it on his own. Say hi, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy.
Hi. Hi. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hey,
One
car
hand.
coming. Car coming.
Get out of the way.
Isabella, stop. Stop. Isabella, stop.
Oh. Nice trick. Standing up. Uh-oh, Isabella's standing up. So we just went down to the trading post here in Palo Dura Canyon. It's a little gift shop and they sell burgers and sandwiches and ice cream and stuff like that. So we got us something to eat. And now I'm going for a walk. They're going for a ride. Isabella is smoking us. Here comes Magnus. Better watch out. It might hurt. Uh-oh, you better come on. Yeah, here at Palo Dura, you can stay here I got a site with electric and water. It's $26 a night. You can do without that, and I think it's 16. What? What? Don't do that. You're gonna tear it up. Dropped it. How's it going? Magnus?
What?
Don't get too far ahead, son.
I'm right here. Okay.
This is not a good trail.
How?
It's just not. Come on, let's walk down further and try to find another one.
That's what I said.
Okay. Come on. Let's go. Isabella, walk over it.
Go up it, and then I can fill it. That was so easy. I can't.
Well, I guess you better go over on this little bitty mountain. Come on.
Whoa.
Magnus, we're not throwing rocks, son.
Oh, look at this. Would you look at these?
Well, did y'all have fun today at the Dura Canyon?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about today?
Us going on a walk.
Going on a walk? What about you, Isabella? What was your favorite part?
Staying camping.
About sleeping in a tent tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited about that, Magnus?
Yeah.
All right. We got to go to church for a little bit, a couple hours, and then we're going to come back and we're going to camp for the night. Y'all excited?
No.
No, you silly girl. All right, we'll take you home, Isabella.
No.
Okay. All right, guys, we made it back from church. We're here at the campsite in Dura Canyon State Park, and we are gonna tent camp. Are y'all excited?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have a little snack before we go to bed?
Yeah.
What are we gonna have?
Cheetos and Opas.
All right, we're gonna have Cheetos and Opas, cause Mama ain't around. No, but that's what we're gonna have, cause that's what we have to eat. And that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna go to bed, and we'll see y'all in the morning. Say good night.
Good night.
Tell them, everybody, good night.
Good night.
Say God bless y'all.
God bless you.
Say see you tomorrow.
See